hamfest today. W3ACH. We are headed there now, about 5 minutes away. Figured I'd take you guys along. If you've never been to a hamfest, here's a chance. Take a look, find your local one, and go and enjoy it.
Oh, man.
Yeah, it's good seeing you guys.
Yeah, it's been a while.
Yeah. All right,
Have fun.
Let's see ya.
Unless you have to carry it, it's got a hard drive, it works really great. You don't have to carry it, that's good.
Did he tell you what time this is? Like a CD or no? You don't even know.
That's all right. You just want it. And run it off the yeah, I'm for that with the hard drive.
It works best with the you guys find
Yes, we do. We have a mobile one. It's on your car.
Oh, that's good. I knew
You just
that.
need to put the you need to get the thing.
I feel like they wanted over 200 on Craigslist, but they weren't here. Huh? Yeah.
All right, well, let's follow some.
I tell you what, Brian, I won't mind getting
One day we were talking and Donnie offered to go up.
Oh, yeah.
I didn't last long. They promoted me to sergeant first class. They wanted me to talk about be dealing with slave packages on $600. read in the news, someone said, didn't you work for him? And they gave me the newspaper in the break room, and I'm thinking, wow. So, the gentleman's name is George Serbaugh. He had a heart attack while on the tower, and he didn't fall because of his timing.
Then good old Mouser and them, the price you see it on the web, that's the price you pay.
$20. New.
See, it's not the Pro, it's WSJTX.
Wi-Fi extender.
Okay.
So you put that right at the edge of your router coverage, and then it'll extend it a little bit farther. I used to use it to get out of my garage.
Yeah.
But then I got one with internet, just to try to go a little farther. Where do you work? Did you come back to this? I work in the bathroom. You do? Yeah. It's just an old one. Oh, really? I've been there for 9 years now. Well, that's the thing. 30,
2 hours ago. Oh, did you see the soldering iron stations over there?
Yeah. I've seen that.
You need a relay?
Okay. Not quite.
I mean, I'm sure you could do
80
that.
amps? Yeah. I don't know what I'm going to be doing switching 80 amps. I guess it'd be good transmit relays.
ridiculous prices. I figured I'd start there and go from there.
Far outperformed these, but it was much more expensive at the time.
Yeah. Morning.
I think you're going to be okay here for today.
Yep.
Looks good out here.
Looks good now.
Yeah. One thing I might pick up, they got some coax, preset coax over there.
Yes.
I was looking at that and I was like,
Right?
Beats waiting to have it shipped to you and making it up.
I was going to say, and it's already got the ends on it.
Yeah. I was also thinking he's got a mag mount there with a dual band for the car. If I keep the tri-bander up on the roof and throw a mag mount on my car,
I'm sure you can get a dual band Tram for $20 on Amazon. It's a shorter one. Just keep that in the back of your head.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know you gotta wait for it, but.
Good morning.
Morning.
What can I help you with?
Oh, I don't know. You can answer that kind of question. But I'm realizing I forgot some stuff at home that I need to bring to that guy.
I've got a bunch of those, and they're a nice water type. I'll just yell for you.
How much are you wanting on your connectors? How much are you wanting on your connectors?
Depends on what they are. In these, anything in here is $3, $4, $1, and let me know what you're interested there. I'll tell you. Those are going to be 3 each.
3 each. Okay. Is it different in price here?
Well, they're just different selections here.
Well, I mean, these are the same thing.
Okay, same price.
Same
Just
price. Okay.
Somehow I ended up with 2 bins of that.
Gotcha. Okay. Normally you find these and they're all melted down. Well,
Those work.
What do you got on them?
They're 20 a piece.
20 a piece? All right. Thank you. Where were these when you needed them last year?
It's the best thing I ever had. One, you know, you built it, so if it was working, it worked great.
Yeah. You can repair it.
Yeah, and you could repair it.
Thank you for joining me on the wonderful adventure of the ACH Hamfest here in Chambersburg, PA. I did end up buying a antenna stand, a real nice one. You'll see it on later videos. I plan on putting some of the ham sticks on there, and I don't have to pound the ground steak into the ground, so that's really a nice feature. So thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like, and we'll see you on the next one. Thank you, and have a good day.